Hello guys and welcome back for another Poke Adventure.
It's me, Thea.
It's me, Jerry.
Me, Pia.
And today's episode, we finally got ourselves a new set. Evolution. Evolving Sky, not Evolution. The Evolving Sky set. Build and battle packs. Boxes we got from our local card store.
And
these the set, the Evolving Sky set, they're actually going to be released this Friday on the August 27th. And we got ourselves some early release ones. Okay, Priya.
let's open.
Be quiet.
Now we got ourselves two of them. Evolving Skies, of course.
4 plus
You guys
4
already
is
know
8.
this build and battle comes with the deck, pre-made deck they have, including one of the
And
promo cards.
cards. And
One of the 4 promo cards, which is the Galarian birds, the Moltres, Galarian Articuno, Zapdos, and they also have Flaffy as the
Fluffy.
yeah, the sheep Pokemon Flaffy.
My Fluffy is not.
And it comes with 4 booster packs. So this little guy keeps snatching the box from me.
Snatch.
Anyways, we'll rip them up
Green.
and let's see
We
can get
any.
any. Hopefully, we get individual, different promo cards there.
And hope we get good wares.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people be pulling crazy pulls from the build and battle boxes. Actually,
Got it.
Ooh.
ooh, aren't they open already? I'm
Yeah.
struggling.
You will open it.
Yes. Here we go.
Hurry
It's the
up.
same
Mine's
thing,
okay.
but look at this flower.
Umbreon.
Win.
That's one of the chase cards that I'd like to get. Actually, the alternate art
Daddy.
of the Umbreon VMAX,
Daddy.
and they have the Rayquaza. Ooh, she got the Galarian Articuno.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I'll open that side.
This is
Open that
nice.
side here.
Guys,
Let's
look.
see. Ooh.
There's this
And
one.
oh, there we go. This one comes with the Flappy. Look how cute that is. Flappy.
We found this.
You found this. That's yours.
These are the 2 Eevee forms, which are in the closet right Yeah.
So
Daddy, we found this.
you got all 4 different art packs.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, can Daddy show?
Daddy.
And we got, here's our 4 different art packs. Oh, no, it's not even different. We're
Mine
missing
is
the
the-
Sylveon one.
Mine is the
I got
only
2.
one.
Yeah, I got 2 Umbreons, a Rayquaza, and the Rolodon Sky Tower. So let's start opening them, Priyam.
Yes.
Who opened?
Yes. Let's see.
Who
Let's see.
opened?
I'm excited. Are you excited?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Okay, you open.
This found this,
Let's
right?
see what we can
We
get.
found
from
this one.
it. Yeah.
I'm keeping both.
Oh,
Monster.
the packs are easier to open compared to
Monster, what?
the older set packs. Showing
Oh,
raining down.
3, Daddy. 3 different
3.
things. Daddy, we found this.
I
Rayquaza.
can't wait.
Yes. We found
Oh
this.
no. You can't wait to be
That's
getting our ETBs. I pre-ordered those as well. And
that's
the
5.
booster boxes.
Ooh, wow.
Yes.
For
Excuse
something
me.
good.
Daddy,
What's that?
this
What's
mine,
that?
right?
This is yours right away.
Pikachu.
What
Okay.
is that? Oh, what is that?
It's
What is that?
edgies.
Energies?
He said
Lightning
Eddies.
energies. And ooh, there's a bunch of new characters. Oh, excuse me. I have to show the camera, please. What's this? Zinnia's
Zinnia's
Resolve.
Close it.
We got Hippowdon,
Hippowdon.
Tentacruel.
Tentacle.
Yes. Ooh, Chinchou or Chinchu. I bring it
Pulling out of somewhere.
That's nice.
Cute
He's
though.
swimming in the icy
He's
cold water.
switch. Look, he's small.
Oh, the dragon cards are back. Look at that.
I feel
That's
like
awesome.
this is like 12 cards.
Yeah, the symbol, the dragon symbol, and if you guys can notice,
Dragon.
top right corner, they has those claw scratches marks.
Why does it look like it has 12 cards?
I don't know. What do you mean? It should be only 10.
Ooh,
The energy.
cute.
Pumpkaboo. Oh, cute. Pumpkaboo.
Yep.
It's a new
A
one, is it?
pumpkin. Fish.
Havana.
Fish.
Yes, Gossiflora.
Oh.
The artwork's very different. Ooh, drowsy. Drowsy.
Pull
That's
something
nice.
good.
He's doing like hypnosis.
Pull something
And-
good. Pull.
For the last card, we got. Woo! Too close.
Me.
Brianna.
Done it. Yeah.
VMAX for the first pack, guys.
Yes!
Whoa!
You got the EV4!
EV4, Umbreon. I think he's my favorite one, actually.
Same. He's right there.
Yeah, big
my
one.
friend,
Right.
she doesn't know all EV forms. I only know
Yeah,
two.
we have a poster actually of it.
Yes.
Umbreon VMAX for the first hit there.
First one. Can I
First
pull
pack.
something
I'm
good?
liking
Can I?
I'm liking this
Ooh, other one.
set already. Yeah, let me sleeve this. So this is gonna be a new set for our
Is this
master
5?
collection.
I mean,
no,
4?
it's 4. The same cuts as always. I'm
Except
putting
the
aside.
sun and moon and stuff.
Yeah,
I need
it's
a
gonna be our newest master set collection.
Okay, sidekick
Start
energy,
collecting.
Crustle, switching cups,
Daddy, other one.
Elemental badge.
Crouch,
Ooh, they have badges now in this set. Hippopotas. Temple.
Litleo,
Litleo.
Daddy.
Litleo.
And Eevee. Ooh.
Rayquaza.
Rayquaza in there.
Yeah, I saw that. You already have
That's pretty nice. That's pretty cute, actually. Eevee. Looking at the sky.
the Rayquaza.
Looking at the
Rayquaza.
legendary Rayquaza.
Cutie fly,
One,
the bee.
two,
Cute fly. Cutie fly.
three.
Fletchling reversed. And let's see what you got. A Tropius. Non-hollow. Which one's next, Brian? Which one's next? We got Umbreon from our Umbreon pack.
See one?
This one?
Yes.
Yeah. You picked our tower.
Daddy,
Do you want it?
Fight. Later.
Later.
Oh,
Careful, you don't be
Daddy.
damaging, okay?
Daddy.
Yes.
He died.
He died? Who died?
This.
And the pack's way easier to actually open. Compared to the other ones. Oh, I keep forgetting. Back side, not the front side. Why am I keep
Or you
cutting
might
the...
show the rear.
Why keep... Oh, what's that? Fighting energy! Why are you laughing? What's funny?
You want it?
Yeah.
Elemental
Elemental's
badge.
Uh,
Ooh, Sheldon.
Gone.
ooh.
That's nice.
Ooh. Wow.
Top of pillars.
Wow.
Swoobat.
Swoobat. Doing like... Is that a whirlwind attack?
Oh, yes.
A Woobat.
Swoobat and
Swoobat
Woobat.
and Woobat. What the...
Gossifleur.
If you guys notice, the Woobat has a hard nose. See?
Spotted. Spies.
Ooh.
Gossifleur again. Oh, Feebas.
Feebas was where the whale was.
Watch
the whale.
out. Yeah, look, you're getting
Remember the
fish.
whale
You're
was
trying
in
to fish him
top.
out.
Remember the whale was in top of that
Hippopotas.
fish.
Yeah, that's Magikarp, not Feebas.
Ooh.
That's a
Lillipup. Ooh, this is a cute one.
Do you want it or not?
Cute puppy.
Puppy.
Chinchou reverse.
Ooh, a small cute
Yeah,
again.
for the record, I got Drampa. The old dragon.
Who is this character? He's only a top
That's
building.
Duraludon.
Okay, it opened in the French
You're
share.
opening your Duraludon as well.
Daddy, what's the next?
Did you sleeve your cards?
Oh,
No,
nothing.
I didn't pull
8
anything.
packs in.
Naughty.
8 packs. Let's see what we can get from the 8 pack.
Because we got one. Okay.
Got 1 hit so far.
Fire energy. Digging gloves.
Palpitone. Oh, Crustle.
Bagon.
You guys play Pokemon Unite on Nintendo Switch?
It's
Crustle is pretty
Yoshi.
good actually.
It's Blue Yoshi.
Yeah, looks like Yoshi.
No, yes.
Bagon or Bacon.
Tiger.
Leo.
Leo.
Let's
Lotad.
Tiger. Ooh,
Teddy bear.
Teddy
a
bear.
bear.
Yeah. Ooh, this looks new.
Ooh.
Cryogonal. That's a new Pokemon.
You're looking very close, Priya.
Ooh. Yeah.
And ooh, Ampharos. That's Flappy. Final form.
What?
Yeah. Ampharos.
Meteor.
And Stoutland. Non-holo again. Birthday is full. Box.
We win.
We win. Yeah. Which one? What's our next pack, Priam? Which one? Which one?
Choose.
Wait,
Choose.
can I see this
Which one? We open this one. The dragon? Which one you want? You're still doing your detecting?
I'm still
Oh.
fixing mine.
He's doing his little detector. Look at that.
Daddy,
Rayquaza
a one
VMAX.
there.
Brother's favorite
One.
Daddy,
Daddy, one.
Let's see if Ampharos.
Huh? What? What?
Can you see them? It's a rare.
Later.
Okay.
Daddy, we'll open this
This one has a
Hero
bad
Max
lightning.
I got
here,
2 more.
Right?
Why am I the only one got two?
Daddy, we'll
Yeah.
open
This is our second one.
this.
Showing.
Ooh, fire.
Fire energy.
Why do you say
and
fire?
Charmander?
Yeah.
Avalon.
Oh, that's the. Wait, no, never mind.
Vigoroth. Oh, they got him back in the set. A Dream Ball. This is a new
A
Pokeball.
Pokemon ball.
Yeah. Bergmite.
Ooh.
Iceberg. Yeah.
Whoa.
Rock and Roller.
I see and cute things.
Yeah.
Flabébé.
Flabébé. Baby.
BB.
A baby, cute thing.
Swablu.
Look at those
Daddy,
oils.
a bird.
Those flowers.
Daddy, a bird.
Look at the
Bird.
cloud.
Yes.
Let Leo.
Leo.
Daddy,
The background of
a
this one's pretty
tiger.
nice.
Tiger.
From
Lion
King.
King.
there you go. Pyroar.
Wow,
Leo's
a
evolution.
tiger. And
That's Lion.
Lion.
That's Simba.
Lion and tiger.
Simba.
Yeah, lion.
Simba.
And
Yeah.
for the red card.
White
Look
shoe.
at that cute
Daddy,
white
a
shoe.
white shoe.
Yeah, white shoe.
A big white shoe.
Yeah.
Daddy, a high here.
Yeah. White shoe.
Raichi.
White shoe, white shoe.
White shoe.
You got no more packs.
Still have one.
Oh wait, never mind.
Liam has it.
I thought that was. Wait, hold on. We are opening the same pack. Nick it. Nick it.
Oh. Ooh,
Ooh.
fox.
Fox. Is that a fox?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Nick it.
Yes, it
Daddy,
is.
you will open this last one.
Yes, that's our last one.
Pikachu energy. Moon
Dog.
and sun.
Energies.
Moon and
Little
sun
one.
badge. Toy catcher.
Taking all the
Hippodon.
energies. What's that?
Hippodon.
Energies?
Oh, yes.
Nick it.
Nickets. Under those, what are those?
Flowers.
Ooh, crab.
Rubble.
Cute crab.
Yeah. Rufflet.
Rufflet.
A bird again.
Rock and roller. Wow, Buffett.
Wow, Buffett. Ew.
yeah.
Okay.
Crab
Russell.
again.
Crab again.
Crab.
And
And
a Gigalith.
why am I
Daddy.
calling nothing?
Gigalith. That's the new Pokemon.
Daddy.
Last pack magic, Priam. Last pack magic. Open it.
You stole
Let's
one.
go. Last pack magic. I'm bringing pack.
For him.
Buffett.
Wow,
As you see, his shadow is down there, not looking at the same thing. Cause look, Look, its eyes is open.
Wobbuffet.
What the heck?
What energy?
Ooh, you mean like
Umbreon
it?
with the dark energy.
Yes, a black.
Black.
Daddy,
got Avalon
put
again.
it down. Other.
Vigora.
Mia, put it down.
Yeah.
Are you
Drimball.
pulling the same thing?
La baby. La baby.
You're pulling
Rock and
this.
roller. With Psyduck.
Why is it with a
Psyduck.
P and not an S?
Psyduck.
Psyduck.
Yeah, that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, the P is silent. Psyduck.
Silent. There's no silent E in any
says B.
word.
Silent P.
Bird.
I'm P.
Bird again. Swablu.
C dot. There's no silent P in any word.
Dog
One is
again.
Psyduck.
A dog again.
Lillipop.
Tug again. And
Shark.
Pedo.
That's just
Fish.
scary.
Psyduck eat
Look, there's the
fish.
Pretty
real
nice
one.
graphic.
There's the real one.
The artwork's like
This
realistic on this one.
It looks real if
Yeah.
of this
That's
one.
so real. This one.
Yeah.
Ready?
This a
That's
big shark.
Big shark.
Yes.
Yo, Thea, last pack. You didn't
Last
pull anything.
pack.
I know.
Come on.
Real.
Don't let us down.
Do it.
I'm trying not to.
8 packs.
Try
Ow.
it.
Beep, 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 beep.
8 packs in. Guess we didn't get much of a good batch.
But we did got Emblem one.
We got one of them.
Let's hear.
We got one of
Oh.
the evolutions.
Punch.
Punch.
Brim. Brim.
Punch.
Shogun.
A Swoobat.
Swoobat.
Alambre.
Alambre.
Swing. Hitmonchan.
Hitmontop.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Lotad.
Lotad. We
It's
got
like-
2 Lumbre and Lotad, yeah.
Daddy,
Lotad evolves to Lumbre.
we have
Well, it
this.
doesn't show.
Yeah. I said Lotad evolves to Lumbre. Sableye.
Daddy, Sabi.
Teddy bear.
Teddy
Teddy bear.
bear.
Yeah.
Mother.
Reap.
Sheep.
A sheep. Yeah, another Flappy.
Oh,
That's cute. It's like a giant Flappy.
look.
the way they had the artwork for this one. It looks like he's growing
Applause.
big.
He's cool.
Yeah, and last card. Ooh, a Dialga.
Whoa.
Holographic.
Yes, I got one, but not recorded.
It's pretty nice.
Except we got one Fluffy.
Yes.
Fluffy.
Not bad, not bad.
I pulled 3 sleeves.
We don't know how. This set is pretty nice.
3 out of
Yeah,
10.
pretty
No,
good.
10 out of
A
10.
lot of cute Pokemon.
That's cute.
Here,
Yeah, the Raichu. The Raichu.
I'm gonna get Fluffy
This-
also.
Awesome
big
part is that they had this, the symbols of the dragon.
Look, he's
It
good.
would have been nice if each elements they would have had symbols on them as well,
Bang.
not just the dragons. Each of them, that would make like the whole set be like cool,
Lot.
I guess. And the best one we
Here,
pulled
Priam.
out,
Whoa,
the
whoa.
Umbreon VMAX.
You want to
Yeah.
this?
No, you
Pretty
could have it.
nice.
No.
Umbreon.
Yes.
One of my
No.
I'm
favorite
not keeping
form
this.
of
No.
the evolution.
Mm.
Yeah, that Flappy.
Yeah, we already pulled Fluffy.
We need 2 more.
2 more of Fluffy.
We need 2 more of the.
Like this one. Articuno.
Yeah, we got our. Now we're missing the Moltres and the
Zapdos.
Zapdos,
The
the two duo.
That those.
the
So, yeah.
runner.
Oh.
That finishes up our video, guys. Hope you
Yes.
guys enjoyed that short, quick one of our Evolving Skies. Don't forget, Friday they will be released. Hopefully in all the stores you can find them. But we'll see what else we'll be able to get of this set out. Now you gotta wait for Friday, hopefully,
I think that's like
or whenever our pre-orders
that's
arrive.
like 3 days.
Yeah, we got 3 more days to wait. Unless our pre-orders
Yes.
again arrive early.
Yes.
And we'll have them and we'll make videos of them, of course. Because we're excited to start up with our new set, master set. With all
And
these
the
guys.
EVATB.
Yeah.
Yes. So, yep, again, there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoy watching. And of course, don't forget to
Share, like, subscribe,
Subscribe.
and hit the bell button for more videos.
videos.
See you next time and stay tuned.
Yes.
Bye.
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 Bye.